happened? Are you in trouble?
The lion is inside this python's stomach, and I need to call the rescue team quickly.
How can I help you?
An anaconda has eaten a lion here. Please come quickly and save it before the lion dies.
Don't worry, we are coming for the rescue. It's an emergency! Richard! We've received an emergency rescue mission. A python has eaten a lion, and we must save it. We must leave immediately. Everyone get your equipment ready. Hurry up, hurry! Move! We need the hydraulic cutters. Get the oxygen tanks loaded now. Pull the straps tight. Cinch it down. Confirm secure. Ready for the mission.
And then
This injection is enough for the python.
Guys, are you ready? Let's go save the lion from that python.
Go, keep moving. We're almost at the extraction point. Heavy lift, ready.
Watch the side, bring it in slow.
Gear is secured for departure.
Let's go and save that lion.
hydraulics engaged.
Check. Engine 1 spooling.
Copy that. We need to move fast. Weather's closing in.
Don't worry, nothing will happen to your papa.
That python has eaten this cub's father. Please hurry and save him.
Keep it moving.
We need to clear the tarmac now. Watch your footing on the ice. Pull harder on that side, secure the net. It's shifting its weight, hold the line. We need to secure the head now. Secure the net now. Pull. I've got this side, hold steady. The lion is alive inside its stomach.
The lion is moving inside. Hurry before it dies.
Inject the vomiting shot here, quickly. We hope the lion survives. Please pray.
Steady now. Administering the sedative. It's almost done.
Breathing is shallow but steady.
How's the heart rate?
A bit slow, but stable for now. Pull tighter on that rope.
Watch the head, get it inside.
Secure the anchor points now.
Thank you for saving the lion.